All right, happy homeowners. Brian Adams here, OnlyWoodFloors. Beautiful Lake Arrowhead. Remember the video from earlier? We're getting ready to start vacuuming so we can put the first coat of finish on. Ready for this? Ready? Boom! Look at this beautiful thing. Beautiful. Beautiful. Still working on the steps a little bit. Oh. Upstairs. One area leading up to the kitchen. I'm going to slice these videos together so you can see the difference. What a difference a day makes. Stay tuned.